Hello, it's Drew here from Crypto Altruism, and I'm just going to take a moment now to walk you through the process for locking in your GLM on the Octant app. And this will allow you to earn rewards, or which you can then withdraw or donate to public goods projects during their epoch period. So we're going to give a quick walkthrough of that. So the first step is just to navigate to octant.app. So type that into your browser, and it will automatically bring you to this page here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to select connect your wallet, and we're going to select browser wallet because I'm using my MetaMask. So I'm going to select the wallet that I want to use, which is the Crypto Altruism wallet. And I'm going to select next. It's going to ask for permissions and confirm. It's going to then ask you to agree to their terms and services, which you can do by just clicking I agree. And it's going to ask you to then sign a message on your wallet. So you just go through that just to say essentially that you're agreeing to their terms. So you sign that. So message has been signed. And so now it's kind of walking you through the steps of how you can earn ETH rewards and the allocation process. So what you're going to do now that you've signed in and selected the wallet that you want to use and signed off on the terms and conditions is that you're going to go to the Earn tab. So you click on Earn, and then what you're going to do is select the amount of GLM that you want to lock. So you click on Lock GLM and you select the amount. So I believe I have 1,013 or so. So we're going to do that. We're going to do all of it, and then we're just going to simply click Lock. So then it's going to go through the process of pulling up the wallet here. So I'm going to set my spending cap for GLM at the maximum amount that I have, which is the 1,013. And then I'm going to select next. And so the first transaction here is just for the spending cap. So I'm going to approve that. There will be a bit of a gas fee, so make sure you have some ETH in your wallet for that. It's only not much, about $1.50 in gas right now. So we're going to do that and get that going. I'm just going to wait for confirmation for a second. Great, and then you're going to have another thing pop up that's going to ask you to then actually lock it. It's going to be the next one. So once the balance has been approved, you can then go ahead and lock in. Again, there will be another gas fee, not too much. It's about just about under $3 for this one, and this is to actually lock your GLM in. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Confirm on MetaMask, and so then it's going to do that transaction as well. And so we're going to give it a second to process that. And then you'll eventually get something that pops up that says that your GLM has been locked successfully, and your locked balance will update after the transaction confirmation. So now when I close this, it'll refresh. We'll see that the current balance is 1,014 GLM. So it's pretty straightforward. So now if you want, in the future, you'll see all the tabs down here. There's a lot of different things. First, I'm going to show you the metrics first, which is really cool. And so this is where you can see, throughout the different epochs, what projects got, what rewards, how much was allocated to them, which is really cool. So you can kind of see the trends and the projects over the different epochs that have done well. There's the Earn tab, of course, which is what we were just at. And then there's the Allocation tab, of course, which you can use to allocate during the allocation window. So at this time, there isn't any window happening. It's starting in about 2 months or so. And then projects where you can see the different projects as well and how much that they've raised. So yeah, pretty straightforward process. Hopefully it makes sense. It definitely encourage you to get in there and to lock your GLM. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. I definitely encourage you to get some GLM and get it locked into Octant today and start participating in this amazing experience.